Here I have HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to more here, and here you can find tethering and portable hotspot. So here you can enable your hotspot. Here you can set it up. For example, you can change its name, you can change its security protocol, you can change its password, you can also change its broadcast channel, and set up maximum amount of connections. You can also add allowed devices. You can use it for Bluetooth tethering and for USB tethering if USB is connected. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.